Hi, and welcome to Virtuance video training. Today let's talk about downloading images. If you ever need a quick refresher or help downloading your Virtuance images, we're going to go over that process from start to finish. You can download your images through your account on virtuance.com or via the email announcement we send whenever your listing website is published. Your images will be delivered by 5 p.m. the day after your photo shoot. With a rush delivery, you'll receive them by noon the following day instead of 5 p.m. You'll look for an email from info@virtuance.com with the subject that reads, "Your photos and website are ready," and then it'll have the address. To download your images without signing into the VMS, you're going to look for the very first link. It'll say you can download your images here. You'll be taken to a page with a drop-down menu. From here, you can select your local MLS, or you can simply choose full size. This will also be your print-sized option. Once you've picked your MLS, click on the Download Images button, and your download will start. Depending on the browser you're using, your download progress will show in a couple different places. In Google Chrome, you'll see it down at the very bottom. In Firefox and Edge, you'll see it in the upper right-hand corner. Images downloaded through this method will be saved to your computer in a zip folder. This is important to note. You will need to take one final step after downloading before you'll be able to upload your photos to the MLS. You will need to extract those images. Before we explain how to extract your images from the downloaded zip folder, let's go over another way that you can download your images. Let's go back over to the announcement email and start the process of downloading again, only this time we're going to do so through the Virtuance Marketing Suite, or VMS for short. This time, look for the text in your email that says, "Click here to access your listing dashboard." It should be the third link down. You can click right on the words and this will open up the VMS. It is a secure site, so you will need to log into your account using the same email and password you would use to log in to place an order. Once you log in, you'll be directed to your listing dashboard for this property. Keep this link handy because this is where you'll be able to access your photo, your tour links, and make flyers. On the right side of the screen, there will be a button that reads Download Photos. Once you click on that, a pop-up box should appear, giving you the option to download your images in either web display or print size. If you'd like to download your MLS size, click on the green Change MLS Status button. The system will then prompt you to select your MLS provider from the drop-down. Once you find the one you need to use, click on Change MLS. This will create a new file size called MLS Images. You can also click on Download All Sizes to download all of the 3 sizes available at once. Simply click on the box that you want and your download will start. Now that your images have downloaded to your computer, it's time to extract them from the zip folder. A zip folder is a compressed folder designed to contain all of the images within the smallest possible file size, so you don't have to wait too long for your download. However, you will not be able to upload your images from a compressed folder into your MLS. Let's start by going to the Downloads folder on your computer. Typically, this is where any files you save from the internet will go by default. There's a few different ways you can access this. The easiest is by going to your Start menu, clicking on the Documents folder, and then clicking on Downloads. Once you're in your Downloads folder, you should see a file with a zipper on it and the property address as the name of the folder. If you don't see it, you can try right-clicking on your mouse and selecting Sort by Date Modified, or by searching for the street number in the search folder in the top right-hand side of your Downloads folder. There's a few different ways you can extract your images. You can right-click over the image folder and click on Extract in the pop-up menu, or you can highlight the folder and look for the Extract All option in the upper right-hand corner of the Downloads folder. Once you click on the Extract option, a window will pop up asking you where you'd like your extracted images to be saved. By default, your extracted folder will be saved in the Downloads folder as a new file. I do recommend keeping it this way unless you're comfortable with locating files on your computer. Once you practice a few times, you can try extracting your images to a different location by hitting the Browse button and selecting a different folder on your computer. Once you've set your location, click Extract. When the extraction is complete, your new folder should pop up on the screen. It will contain any images or other items that you've downloaded. And that's it. You're now ready to upload these photos to your MLS or other social media sites as well. You can also copy this folder and paste it into a new location, or drag and drop it onto your desktop if that's easier for you.